you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up my Splendies for June. So if you don't know what Splendies is, it's a monthly panty subscription. You get 3 pairs of panties every single month. So today I'll tell you just a little bit about Splendies and then we'll do the unboxing. Before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do unboxings every single day here on our channel. So if you love subscription boxes, I would absolutely love if you joined and subscribed. That would mean so much to me. But now back to the panties. So Splendies cost $14.95 a month. There is a code that saves you 50% on your first month. It's not affiliated or anything like that. Just happened to stumble upon it a while ago and it still works. I think it's like July 50 or something like that. The link and the promo code will be down below. Splendies offers a wide size range, so it's very inclusive and I really appreciate that. I believe the sizes go from extra small to 4X. They call the plus size voluptuous and I think you pay $2 more for the plus size. And when you sign up, you get to pick what type of underwear you receive. So you can pick to get all thongs, you can pick to get all like regular underwear, and then you can also pick a surprise variety, and I selected the surprise variety. So there's always such a cute theme. The underwear is always so cute and adorable and fits well. I personally think it fits true to size, but many have told me they prefer to size up one. I guess the fit is more comfortable to them that way. So you may want to do that if you're new to subscribing or just an FYI. But yeah, let's get started. So like usual, it is wrapped up in some cute tissue. I always say this, but I like to save things from subscription boxes like tissue, especially when it's so cute like this. So there's a sticker on it. Let me try and get that off. Ooh, and I think I'm gonna love it. I can just tell. So sneak peek, here's what like the color theme is like this month. Ooh, one pair feels so soft too. I love them already. I always love Splendies, but let's start with the very first pair on top. So this is what the front looks like. Absolutely love the colors, love floral print. So that's the front, and then so cute in the front, sexy in the back. It's got like a blue lace back. See if you guys can see it better if I put my hand there. I love these, and they seem like they're like really comfortable. Cute and sexy, love that. And these are from the Splendies brand. Usually they all are, but once in a while we'll get something from a different brand. And the retail value is $12. And for those interested, let's look at the materials. So this pair is made from 92% polyester and 8% spandex. You guys, I love these so much. Blue is my favorite color and I love floral stuff. And it seems like they'll be really comfortable and flattering too. Next we have a thong. Man, this feels really soft and I love the blue. So it's got like this stretchy, like comfy top for like support. It's not like too stretchy though, but it feels really nice. I wonder what that material is. And then it's just baby blue all around with some lace. And then the back, the thong part, is lacy. I want to know what this would be like. I think this right here would help it like not show under certain clothing. A lot of times I prefer to wear thongs with like more fitting things just so you don't see the outline of your underwear as much. I wear all different types of underwear. That's why I was okay with the surprise variety. I think these are so cute. So again, $12. And Splendies brand, and let's see what the material is. 84% nylon and 16% spandex. Anyone else suffering from allergies out there? And now the last pair. Oh my gosh, these feel insanely comfy. This is what I first felt when I picked these up. Oh my god, these are perfect for every day. So this is again Splendies brand. And it has like a scallop rim. Okay, well, I don't know why I'm like looking down and not showing you guys. How cute. Oh my gosh. Do you see like the scallop? It's on all edges and this is so comfortable. And now this is another pair that would probably not be very visible underneath like, you know, clothing that you'd wear out unless you're wearing something really light. Oh my god, this might be my favorite. Usually I like the more like lacy, sexy things the best. Even though, you know, I like just like having cute underwear on even if no one else knows. You know, it's like a good feeling. But these are Splendies brand size, I don't know, I need to tell you guys my size, but I don't care, I might as well. I wear size large. And this is $12. And I love this. I love that scallop. And it's seriously so comfy. What is this made out of? I like want to put these on. I've never thought that when I saw a pair of underwear, like I need that on me, but these, I got that urge. Oh, it says it on here. And I like that it doesn't have a tag, it just has a little bit of writing right here. Cause sometimes those tags can get annoying, you know, like you can just like feel them or they like pop out or something like that. So this is made from 75% nylon and 25% spandex. Oh man, I love these. I love the colors of everything. Okay, yeah, these are my favorite. Normally I would never pick a solid color like regular undie for my favorite, but these are. That like scallop trim makes them like unique and it's so comfy and I just absolutely love this color. I love the colors of everything. Splendies always has such cute underwear. Seriously, if you guys haven't bought new underwear in a while, it's time to spruce it up. And so you got $36 of underwear and it was $14.95 or like 7 something if you use that code. And here's the thong. And it seems like when you pick the surprise variety, you pretty much always get 2 pairs of like regular underwear. I always say regular like with quotations, kind of like, is that even what it's called? Like, is there a better name for it? Or thongs, but then, yeah, and then you have this cute in the front, sexy in the back pair, which I really love too. Love the floral print. I love every single one. I'm always so happy with my Splendies. If you guys haven't seen any of my other Splendies, you should watch them. I have a whole playlist. These are usually pretty quick videos, but if you do watch them, you know I'm always so excited when I open them. I did get a question once. I'm not sure if I responded. I got like lost in the mix. Someone was asking me if we ever get like sexy underwear because that's like what they prefer, and I would say like usually every month we get like 1 like sexier pair, and then 2 like that would be great for every day. But depending on your preferences, any kind of underwear could be for any day. So hopefully they're watching this video and they can get a sense of everything. I think all 3 of these look sexy on anyone, but that's just my opinion. But anyways, I always love to know if you guys get Splendies. Do we get the same pair? Because sometimes I know we can get it like in different colors and stuff or completely different. And if you didn't get your Splendies or you're not subscribed, let me know what pair I got. Why is it called pair anyways? There's one. Which set of underwear, which whatever, what panty you like the best that I received this month. I would love to know your opinions down below. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing my new underwear with me. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.